so very moist. I love it. I love it. Hello my healthy people, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. I'm very excited today because I am making some zucchini bread. So we're going to be using 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half of a cup of white spelt flour. To that I will add half of a cup of coconut sugar, half of a teaspoon of cinnamon, half of a teaspoon of baking powder, half of a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoons of salt. I'm using Himalayan salt. And that's pretty much all you're gonna need for the dry ingredients to make this delicious vegan, of course, zucchini bread. So I'm gonna need 1 cup of zucchini in the small grate, and I will grate that just like this. Watch, it's pretty easy to do. Okay my healthy people, so I went ahead and grated my zucchini, and we have 1 cup here. Put 1 cup of our zucchini that was grated, half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened applesauce. And don't worry, you will not taste the applesauce. People always asking, will I taste the applesauce? No, you will not. 1 flax eggs, and this is what you get. Very sticky. Okay, and that is it. And then you'll just mix all this stuff around, and let's get our dry ingredients. And you're just going to just add everything inside. Get all your wet ingredients and add it to your dry ingredients. This is a real simple recipe, guys. And zucchini is in season, so this is why it is great. I love using vegetables that's in season to cook with. We're gonna add a little bit of milk, but I'm not ready to add the milk yet because I want to see what we have here. It's looking good. Everything looks really good, as you may see, and you just mix it around. Let me go ahead and get my milk, 1 tablespoon. So 2, that's perfectly fine. That's all I'm gonna need. Okay, I'm just gonna mix that around. You will need 8x4 loaf pan. Now you can either spray it with oil or you can use a parchment paper. So I'm just gonna spray it with some coconut oil spray. Rub it all around. That's pretty much it, guys. That's all you have to do to make this delicious zucchini bread. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in my 8x4 pan, just like that. Let's go ahead and spread it out. I'm gonna put this in the oven at 325 degrees, and my oven was already being preheated. Okay my healthy people, so here it is, our delicious zucchini bread. Yes, if you love zucchini bread, give this video a what? Big thumbs up. Alright guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. I had mine in the oven for 30 minutes. This is our delicious zucchini bread. All right guys, so we cut our zucchini bread. Look at that. Yes, I know you are ready to eat it. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. So yummy, so delicious. That's it guys, our delicious zucchini bread. I'm going to have a nice slice of this very moist, delicious zucchini bread. If you love zucchini bread, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. And say it with me, stay healthy.